guys, I Akshat Mehrotra from class 8 of Birla Vidya Mandir, Nainital, along with my team developed a project named Solar Tracker System, in which the solar panels will move according to the sunlight.
There are several components used in the project, starting with the solar panels. There are 4 solar panels which are connected each other so that they can capture the solar energy. Then just below it there are 3 LDR sensors which sense the sunlight and they send command to the Arduino Uno. Then we have the servo motor through which is connected to the solar panels for the smooth moving of the solar panels. This is connected through a PVC pipe to the ground so that the solar panels are lifted above the ground at a height. Then there is a Arduino Uno board which has a code loaded in it which takes the input from the LDR sensor and transfers it to servo motor. Then we have batteries to function the circuit properly, and to control the circuit we have a switch here. And all this mechanism is connected to each other through jumper wires. Now you can see that the solar panels are moving according to the light. In the similar way, the solar panels also capture solar light and move accordingly. This system is helpful that we can use maximum energy in the solar power plants, and this will result in decrease the wastage of energy.